Hi guys, welcome to AI. Today I'll demonstrate how to clone a sprite at a random position in Scratch. Let's get started. First, let's create a sprite. A sprite is nothing but an object. For now, I'll choose a beetle. So make the size 50. And then let's say, so for this code, we're going to use a manner of a flowchart. And at first we're going to hide all of the beetles, and then we're going to render the repeat loop to render the beetles every 1 second. Now we can, when the beetle starts as a clone, it'll show itself, and it'll pick a range of the x and y coordinates, and it will go to the range anywhere in the range of the x and y coordinates. And then we can play a sound at the last bit, which will happen when the beetle spawns. Let's see if it works. Oh my god, it's working. Now we can put a sound into it. Let's see if it works. So I hope everyone liked the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.